Today we're talking about our working leg versus our standing leg. Your standing leg is traditionally the leg that you are literally standing on. It is the one that is taking the bulk of your weight. There are some steps where you may have your then working foot on the ground and it may be taking some weight, but the primary focus is the leg that you are balancing on. Your working leg is then the one that is doing the primary move. This is the leg that is usually the most confusing. Things like tap, where you're really bouncing back and forth between both legs a lot, it can kind of confuse you as to what is then the working leg. It's always the primary one or the one that you are leading with. In cases like a gargoulade, you're doing 2 rond de jambe layers, but you have to start with one leg pulls up, and that is going to be the gargoulade side that you are performing. So if you pull your right leg up first, you're doing a gargoulade to the right. If you pull your left leg up first, you're going to the left. That kind of dissuades us from thinking about our standing leg. We forget that our standing leg is technically still working too. It's not just hanging out there enjoying taking some time off. That leg is still technically working, yes. We're talking about the movement. It's just a term that we use to describe what limb is doing the primary focal execution of the step. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about warm up and cool down. I will see you then.